to also touch base with Somany Ceramics shortly. And yes, I'm very pleased to welcome Abhishek Somany, Managing Director at Somany Ceramics. It's been, by all accounts, a great quarter. How would you characterize it? What were the contributory factors?
Yeah, thank you for having me. I think there's been a pretty decent quarter. It has been enhanced by the new GVT plant which we started, the butadiene plant which we started in our northern facility. That has contributed significantly to the volume and the bottom line. And that has led to a 10.8% increase in volume and 7% for H1. So we were happy with that number. And like I said, the bottom line also has been part of the contribution on that.
Okay. Now the question that begs to be asked is whether or not that 7% plus volume growth is maintainable for H2 as well. What are your thoughts?
Yes, it is maintainable for H2. It's only the issue is the GST, which may or may not come on the 1st of April. We are taking, for example, that it would come on the 1st of April, and on that pretext, this volume growth would be maintained. For some reason, if that gets postponed, we probably would be able to better this split.
Okay. Can you also share some details about how the product mix has changed in favor of higher margin products in Q2?
So we've sold about 3% extra of the GVT and PVT combined versus last year same time. And also the sanitaryware and faucet segment has considerably grown. It's grown by 36%. As a percentage of sale, that's a higher, that's taken a little higher sense, which comes at a better EBITDA margin than the normal tile segment.
Mr. Somany, I must say that there is a little bit, actually a fair bit of audio rustle that we're getting, although we've been able to understand clearly what you've been saying. But investor interest today is running high, given that Somany Ceramics has delivered, a nice set of numbers for the second quarter. Just look ahead a little bit. Any risk that you see on the horizon, any demand softening from unexpected quarters? In qualitative terms, what could H2, offer up?
I think we should not look at this segment quarter on quarter. We have gone through a lot of pain as far as the building material segment is concerned, where there's been huge pressure on payments and payment cycles have been slow, which continues to remain. There has been certain improvements at the retail segment, where also there was a payment issue. But that has seemed to started improving September onwards. So hopefully that would continue to improve. But as the building material sector, I think we're at least a year off. So I think we bottomed out from that point of view. But that pain still remains, and we are cautious of that fact. While our eagerness to increase volume and sales, we also need to keep a keen eye on.
Okay, I think we'll finally lost that signal there. Somany Ceramics saying that, look, while the sector has bottomed out, Somany Ceramics itself has bottomed out in terms of, negative pressure points. But still, wait and watch as far as the company is concerned. 657, 658 on the stock, up 2.4% in trade today. Now, those are a whole host of earnings. In fact, we have some more details as far as Dabur is concerned. And let's pull up that stock to see exactly how the Dabur stock is faring in trade right now.